Hey Buzzard, stormy weather rose up on video gate 154 now, so I got 4 water gates out here. I'll see you.
Switchblade May 6. Hey, Showtime, that's what I do, man. That's what I do. I told you I'm in the high chair, watching the playground and watching my babies play. Showtime, stormy weather, in suburban Oklahoma getting down. Take care, have yourself a nice evening, and we'll talk at you later. 5-1, ain't you got a problem? You check that showdown, though. Man, you were smoking in my back door, cat, nigga. I caught your voice. I said, man, this is Wilson. I don't think he is.
I can still hear you, Buzzard. I got stormy weather talking to the mini graphs out there, man. I can still hear you, Buzzard. Bye.
No doubt about it, KoolAid. All right, man, because you doing your thing, man. Ain't no ifs, ands, and buts if I hear you. All right, KoolAid, Buzzard, Bank.
Better tell KoolAid, watch out. You better tell KoolAid, watch out. I'm gone.
Yeah, I can crank up, but it'll take 7 minutes. Say that too loud, man. Hey, what's the minute? I can crank up. I can crank up. Minutes crank up. No. I'm not a plug in your ears talking. Take it easy. Take care. Pull you later.
Hey, Buzzard, can you hear Switchblade? Can you hear Switchblade there, break?
No, I can't hear Switchblade, but I can hear stormy weather. Good evening, good afternoon, stormy weather, Buzzard, Bank.
Bye, KoolAid, man. Aloha.
Smell the nature, but I can't hear good out the back. Just smell the nature. I heard you a while ago, but everybody told me don't fix it. Everybody telling me don't fix the damn thing. You said I had a whole lot coming out the back. Local talking. I tell you what.
Yeah, I hear it. I can hear the local talking out there.
He long with it, ain't he? Stormy weather, Mobile and the Black Gold say he long with it, ain't he? That cat big as like a giraffe taking a drink of liquor. He talk a long time, stormy weather guy.
He said that kind of big like a giraffe. He said that kind of big a drink. You like a giraffe out there drinking water, that break.